Hi, how can I help you? Oh, you need me to... Okay. Hi everyone, welcome to today. I have been on this earth for 30 years, 30 years, 2 months, 30 years, 3 months, and 2 weeks. And in that time, I've picked up quite a few beauty and wellness tips. So today, I just want to share some of them with you. You know, some of these you may know, some of these you may not, some of these you might even disagree with, but that's okay. I hope it's helpful. My cat's throwing up right now. Ooh. When you're applying a face serum, the best way to get hydrated skin is to hydrate your skin right beforehand. So if you just apply serum to your skin, yes, it will moisturize it, but if you first use a hydrating toner or rose water, something like that, then put on the serum, your skin will be so much more moisturized. Shout out to Jessica from Palermo Body. She's the one who taught me that tip. If you're gonna work out in the morning, sleep in your gym clothes. Then you just get up and run out the door. If you ever get acid reflux, apple cider vinegar is a lifesaver. Just shake it up, put some in a glass with water, maybe like 1 part apple cider vinegar to 4 parts water or more, and take a couple sips. Within 5 or 10 minutes, you're gonna feel so much better. I was sleeping at my friend's house the other night and I woke up at like 6 a.m. feeling terrible in here and everyone was sleeping, so I just helped myself. I went right into the kitchen. I opened up every single kitchen cabinet looking for apple cider vinegar because I knew he had it, and then finally I saw it. It was sitting right out there on the counter, so I just poured myself some, a little glass of water, and I was good as new. Okay, this one I just figured out like a month ago and I'm 30 years old. Like, how did it take me so long? Brush your hair before you get in the shower. Get all your knots out. Otherwise, you're gonna be standing there in the shower like, with the comb, like really frustrated, wasting water, getting annoyed. Just brush your hair before you go in there. It'll change your life. If water doesn't seem to hydrate you, like you're just drinking a ton of water and you keep peeing and you're still thirsty, you need Himalayan salt. Basically what's happening is sometimes your body doesn't really know what to do with the water, which seems crazy, but it just flushes it right through your system. But when you put Himalayan salt in it, the minerals from the salt, your body knows what to do with that. So your body absorbs the minerals and with that absorbs the water and you're hydrated. Some people will make a concentrated solution by pouring a bunch of Himalayan salt in purified water, leaving it there overnight, and then every time they want to have some, they just mix a little bit of that solution with regular purified water. And there you have it. But what I do is I just take water, take a pinch of salt, put it in there, stir it up, and drink it, and it honestly works. I know it sounds counterintuitive because we've always been taught that water is dehydrating. I don't know the specifics, but I know that it works. Dried mulberries are delicious. Oh, hello! That was perfect timing. Would you like some? Actually, I had these sitting next to my bed because I never put anything away. And this one was up at like 4 in the morning because he loves plastic. So I had to take it from him and hide it behind my pillow. So I just grabbed it from my pillow right now. I didn't even have to go get it from the kitchen. But they're so good. Like, it's like nature's candy. I mean, I haven't eaten actual candy in years, so I might not be the best judge of it, but bite into them, and all of a sudden they get really chewy, like this great chew that you don't usually get with natural foods, and they're super sweet. I recommend them. This might be an obvious one, but green juice is 100 times better when you drink it fresh. You can even notice it, like if you're going to the store consistently and just getting bottled green juice, it doesn't really seem to do anything, but the days that I actually take the time to make my own green juice every day for a week, my skin's brighter and I just feel healthier and cleaner. And that's because for every minute after the juice is made, it loses a ton of its minerals. So either make it yourself or buy it fresh made. But I recommend making it yourself. Okay, this is not the safest trick, but I just want to let you guys know because it's really cool. If you have a radiator like this, during the winter when it's on, before you get in the shower, take your towel and just throw it over the radiator for like 5 minutes. Instant towel warmer. So this is a tip for using a flat iron to straighten your hair. I've been doing this trick since high school and I kind of just developed it naturally. I don't know if it's something that anybody else does, but I guess I shouldn't be so cocky to think I'm the one that came up with it, but here's how to get your hair as straight as can be. Take a brush that has a ton of bristles, grab a section of hair. You're gonna first brush it out, and then from underneath at the very top, stick that brush in there as tight as you can, put your finger down so that you're pulling this hair as tight as you possibly can, and you're just going to pull your hand down, following it immediately with the straightener. So you go here, and you just follow it. And what you're doing is you're pulling your hair as tight as you possibly can. Boom! Straight as can be. Except I didn't want my hair to be straight today, so now I'm just gonna have this freaking thing. Manuka Honey. I don't have any right now, but I could go on and on about what the heck you can use it for, but one of my favorite things is put it on your pimples. It is an incredible antiseptic, antibacterial, anti-all these things that are bad, and if you have a breakout, just dab some Manuka on there before you go to sleep. You might get some on your pillow, but it's worth it. It really works. You can do a whole face mask with it. I've washed my face with it before. It's brilliant. It has to be Manuka Honey, and keep in mind the K factor. The higher the K factor, the stronger its powers are, and the more expensive it is. I just get it on Amazon. It's the cheapest place. Don't get it at Whole Foods. It's like double the price. Although now Whole Foods is owned by Amazon, so I don't know. Now this secret was shared with me by 2 separate redheads in the same day on Instagram. Ollie, cool it. Thank you ladies, you both know who you are. Just for Men Mustache Dye makes incredible eyebrow dye. My eyebrows are naturally blonde. You can hardly even see them. 5 minutes later, I look amazing. Like, this changed my life. It's so cheap. I have been getting my eyebrows tinted like once a month professionally, and I don't know, it's maybe like $20 or $30 every time. This is like $10, and this will legitimately last you a year or more. All you need is a teeny tiny drop. It's amazing. So those are my tips for today. I hope you learned something. I hope it was helpful. If you have your own tips, comment below and let us know. It's also of utmost importance that you subscribe to my channel because I have a ton of great content that I'm cooking up. And follow me on Instagram, that's hummusfruit with 2 R's. Thanks for coming by, have a great day.